Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and today I have a follow-up video for you. I have another purchase from Hobbii. I did a video about 6 months ago about my Hobbii purchase, and honestly, I loved the yarn that I got from Hobbii. The customer service was great from Hobbii. I had no problems really with Hobbii. However, when I got the package in the mail, it was damaged. I'll actually leave some video footage over here for you to see, but I was so disappointed. I was looking so forward to this order, and when it came and the bag was all torn up and there was yarn missing, I was devastated. And that's silly. I mean, really, it is yarn, you know? It's yarn. It's not life-saving medicine or something like that. But I was disappointed, and so I made my video. I was not prepared for the amount of interaction that I got from all of you. I mean, there are a lot of you who really love this company, and you defended it. And so I thought, you know what? If this many people love this company so much, I'm going to give it another try. Honestly, my only real beef with the company was that they choose this very flimsy plastic bag to send these packages around the world. I mean, this came from Denmark to upstate New York, so it's been around. Basically, this package is fine this time. My husband was delighted, so he didn't have to listen to me moan and cry about it. So I'm really delighted that this package came in one piece. I do wish Hobbii would consider using a cardboard box. It's also biodegradable where plastic is not. So those are two reasons where I'd love for Hobbii to just start using cardboard boxes for their deliveries. So that is it. That is all I'm going to say on that subject. And please understand, my issue is not with Hobbii's products. My issue is just with their choice of delivery vessel. Okay, I don't want anybody to yell at me anymore. So with that being said, I thought I'd dig into my my Hobbii package and show you what I bought. Okay, so scissors in hand, got my package. Let's see what I got. I already know what I got, but you don't know what I got. I'm gonna be very careful when I open this because there was a yarn tragedy in my home not long ago. The scissors went through and cut yarn, so always when you're opening these packages, you know, make sure you can see that you're not going to cut any yarn. Very important. All right, and I'm actually just going to rip the rest of the way. I'm really gun shy from that last tragedy. It was terrible. Wow. You guys know, well, maybe you don't know me very well. Sorry, my dog is distracting me. I love really bright colors, and the order that I placed was for pretty much like Roy G. Biv. I wanted to have like a rainbow, and just the first 4 things I see are these beautiful bright colors. I love bright colors. This is Amigo 100% acrylic by Hobbii. And I did look up how to say Hobbii. I actually went to their YouTube channel so that I could listen to the people who work for the company say the name, and it's Hobbii. Actually, they say it a little bit different because they have an accent. But yeah, it's Hobbii, not Hobbii. I didn't know before. So this is Amigo XL, and these are 50-gram balls, and they have 100 meters or 109 yards, and they recommend a 5 to a 6 millimeter hook, which is what I would recommend too. It's a little bit thicker. I want to be able to show you up close. It's a little bit thicker this yarn. I love these bright colors. So they don't have color names, which is always kind of sad for me. I love it when they have like just crazy names, like Toes in the Sand or Mountaintop or something like that. But this is just number 42. So bright red, and then I have a very bright orange. Now, if I were to name this, I would call it Hunter Vest or something like that. But yeah, this is just number 45. So we've got red and orange. Let's look for the green, my favorite color. Green, it's almost like a teal. It's not really a Kelly green. It's number 31. But yeah, it's more of a teal or an emerald, really. So that's very pretty though. I like it. Very pretty. So there's my green, red, orange. Oh, I forgot yellow. How did I miss yellow? Forgetting my colors of the spectrum. Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. Indigo violet, excuse me. So this is color number 36. And it's a very pretty yellow. I like it. Very pretty. And like I said, all of these are, what did I say, 100 yards? 109 yards, 100 meters. So this is the blue. I do like the blue as well. That's color number 18. I do like that blue a lot. That's my sister's favorite color. She loves that bright blue. And last but not least is the purple, color number 60. I love that as well. All these pretty colors. I'm going to try to hold them all up so you can see them. Very pretty. I love them. So let's see, what did I get? They always send you a free something. So today it is shawl pins. Oh, my dog is crying. What's the matter, Willie? Do you want to come be on camera? Do you want to come be over here on the camera? He's sulking. Anyway, did you see them up close? They're shawl pins. I've never used a shawl pin like this. I do have a different kind of a shawl pin that's a little more decorative, but that's very nice. And of course, Hobbii is famous for putting in their candies. So there's my candies and my packing slip. And I'm very happy to say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items are all in the package. So that's good. That's definitely a step up from last time because I was missing some yarn. So very excited for my Hobbii purchase, and I'm excited to try this yarn, Amigo XL. So it's a new one for me. I'll have to let you know what I think of it. So very excited about the rainbow colors. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did order everything from Hobbii online. I found it to be very easy. The website was very easy to use, and like I said, the customer service is very good. I got a confirmation email almost immediately after I placed the order. I was able to place the entire order right on my phone. I didn't have to use my desktop or anything like that. So yeah, I was very happy with Hobbii. Do I keep calling it Hobbii? In my brain, it's Hobbii. Hobbii. Okay, take care everybody. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, Willie, can you move out of the way? Come on. Are you gonna stay with me? I don't know how this will look.